Hello guys, welcome to TechnoJob. Here we are with the part 3 of ratios and proportion. So here we are going to solve this. So before going to solve, I would like to tell about our platform, that is TechnoJob. We provide jobs for BE B.Tech students and also give information about government jobs, private jobs, walk-in drives, off-campus drives, internships and also tech news. So coming to this, solving this problem, before that we'll solve the problem which is given in the last video in the part 2, so that we'll get a clear information to solve this problems also. See, coming to that problem, 100 people having the food for 30 days. After 10 days, 20 members leave. Find the number of days the remaining food will utilize. This is the question. See, this is about food. How many people are there and how many days they are utilizing and how many members are left, and that food how it utilizes. This is the type of questions you will be meeting with the ratios and proportions actually. So coming to this, see, actually 100 people, right? 100 people, and they're having the food for 30 days it seems. But after 10 days 20 members left, so 20 people left. So what we have to do out, in 30 days, 10 days you have to left, because in that days some members are left, right? So that will not be calculated in this. So equal to, and 20 members left. After 20 members left, how many days it is utilizes? We don't know the days, so it is x. So after 20 days they left. So sorry, after 10 days they left. How many members left? 20 members has left. So 100 minus 20. So it is nothing but 30 minus 10, 20, 100 into 20, and 100 minus 20 equal to 80 into x. So 0, 0 get cancelled, 2 1s are 2 4s are, and 100 equal to 4x, 4 1s are 4 25s are. So x is 25. So they are utilizing it for 25 days. So actually they have to utilize, I mean, they have the food for 30 days, but they can more utilize for 25 days, because this 20 members has left, so they can use still more days. This is how you'll solve the problem. And coming here, we have one question. 30 people having the food for 20 days. After 8 days, 10 members join. Find the number of days the remaining food will utilize. See, in the last before question, what we have did is they left it. They left. So and we have find out the number of days that food will utilize. So this here they have joined. So how? We'll see. 30 people are there, and it is for, see, actually for 20 days, but after 8 days they have joined. After 8 days they have joined, that is like 20 minus 8 is 12, okay, equal to how many members joined? 10 members. So actually how many members initially they are there? 30 members, right? 30 plus 1 is 40 into x. So 0 0 get cancelled, and 4 1s are 4 3s are 3 3s are 9. So it, the food will utilizes for 9 days. So actually it have to utilize for 20 days, but after 8 days it utilizes only for 9 days. Okay, this is how you will solve. See, if you know the logic how we are doing, just you can easily do it. Just pause the video and see clearly what is the question, and then do the question. And here, see, some people having the food for 20 days. After 5 days 50 members join, and the remaining food utilizes for 12 days. Find the number of people in the initial time. See, we have a question. The members left, the members added. Now the members are they are not giving about the numbers. We have to find out the people. So they are giving how many days it is utilizing and everything. So here we will be directly doing this. See, there are x people, we don't know, we have to find it, and it is for actually 20 days, but after 5 days other members has joined, so it is only for 15 days, because 20 minus 5 is 15. So, and here after like 5 days, how many members are joined? 15 members are joined. So x plus 15, because we don't know the initially how many people are there. So x plus 15 into the food, how many days it utilizes? For 12 days. So just multiply it, 15x, 12x into 12 plus 12 into 15. So 15 minus 12x is 3x, equal to 12 into 15. 3 ones are 3 fours are 12. So x is 60. So initially the people were 60 members. This is how you will solve. Just you have to know how to write this equation, then everything will be solved. Okay. And here we done with the ratios. Now we'll go with the proportions. What is the mean proportion of 2 and 8? See, actually initially in the first video I have said you that A is to B is to C is to D is, we can write different ways, and here also we can write AD equal to BC. This is a formula based. So here starting I'll tell you the formula based. Next we'll solve without formula. So here see, mean proportion we have to find out. So 2 is to, we don't know that, x, and x is to 8. Okay, and this is 2 they have given you. So in the middle of it we have to find out. So we know that BC equal to AD, right? So x square equal to 2 into 8. So 8 to the 16. So x equal to root of 16. It is not, and x equal to 4. And the mean proportion of 2 and 8 is 4. And here see, what is the mean proportion of 17 and 8? 17 and 68. See, directly no need to just do 17 is to x and x is to 68. Directly you can just take the numbers and square it. Just multiply the numbers and square it. See, x square equal to 17 into 68. It is not, x square equal to 1156. X equal to root of 1156 and x equal to 34. So directly you can root of 17 and 68 when they have given you two two numbers and find out the mean proportion. This is the way you can do directly, no need of using any formulas and everything. And here we have another question. What is the mean proportion of 25 and 81? So please do this problem and please give me in the comment section. I'll solve this problem in the next video. So if you have missed the part 1 and part 2 videos of ratios and proportion, then the link is given in the description, so you can go directly to the link and watch the videos of ratios and proportions of part 1 and part 2. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.